When unpacking your Kalura Fountain, take note of the included foam accessories that are there to help customize the flow and sound of your fountain. The easy assembly begins by placing the silicone tubing and top feature piece into place. Make sure the pipes are positioned directly over the middle bowl. Use the pump's flow control dial to set the pump to your desired setting. Attach the silicone tubing securely to the pump. Then place the pump back into the fountain body, making sure that it sits flat at the bottom of the fountain. You can now add the large piece of foam, which inserted this way will act as a fountain filter to protect your pump. You can keep the flow smooth by removing any obstructions that may get into the pipes. By adjusting the large foam accessory, you can change the way the fountain sounds while still protecting your pump and using it as a filter. We show you the various ways here that you can install it and the resulting sound effect. The same is true for the smaller pieces of foam that are in the middle spill bowl. You can alter the placement of where the water falls and adjust the foam in that middle bowl as well.